Okay, area of trapezoid. Okay, how to get the value of area of trapezoid? First, what is trapezoid? Trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Okay, pag sinabing trapezoid, ang external sides niya ay 4 sides, but we have at least one pair of parallel sides. Ito yung kanyang parallel sides. Okay, now, paano computein ang area ng trapezoid? Ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Area equals 1/2 of the quantity of base 1 plus base 2 times height. Ano yung base 1? Yung upper base natin. Ito yon. Wherein ang measure niya ay 14. Ito yung ating base 1. Okay, next, ano naman ang ating base 2? Ito yung nasa baba. Nasa lower base. Okay, now ano yung h? Ito yung height ng trapezoid. Gaano ba kalayo ito doon? Yung distance ng ating base 1 sa base 2. O kaya naman ito yung height value niya, which is 6 cm. Okay, now gawin natin. Area equals 1/2 of, ano ang value ng b sub 1? 14. Mamaya na natin ilagay ang unit. Plus, ang b sub 2 natin, ayan, ito ang b sub 2. Paano natin makukuha ang value nito? Which is totally unknown. Okay, gagawa natin ang paraan. Since ang height natin ay 6 cm, so meaning this side is also 6 cm. Now, 14 cm. Okay, now this is 14 cm. What will be the side of this one? The unit of this one. Okay? Mag-assume lang tayo na ito ay x para makuha natin. Kung nakabuo tayo ng right triangle, as you can see here, yan, meron tayong right angle measure, nakabuo tayo, makukuha natin ang adjacent side. Ito na yung pinaka-adjacent side niya, yung value ng x. Then saka natin i-add doon kapag nakuha na natin ang value nito. Paano yon? Okay, since ito ay x, x squared equals, gamit ang Pythagorean theorem. Okay, x squared equals 10 squared minus 6 squared. Anong in-apply nating formula dito? Dito ay Pythagorean theorem. Okay? Ang square ng hypotenuse ay ima-minus sa square ng ating opposite side. Okay, now, x squared equals 100 minus 36. Then x squared equals 64. Then, get the square at both sides. Ang value ng x dito ay 8. So, meaning, ang value ng x dito ay 8. I-add ngayon natin siya. Kung siya ay 8 cm, ano ngayon ang magiging side ng ating base 2? Kasi wala namang pangalan yung ating trapezoid, yung ating quadrilateral. 8 plus 14 is 22 cm. Times height. Anong height natin? 6. Then, area equals 1/2 of 14 plus 22 is 36 times 6. Okay, i-divide muna natin 36 divided by 2. Ang kalahati ng 36 ay 18. 18 times 6. Area equals, what is 18 times 6? That is 48. 6, 10, 108. So, meaning 108. Since area is square centimeter, that is, the area value is 108 square centimeter. Okay, kasi kapag nag-multiply tayo, 6 centimeter times 36 centimeter is square centimeter. May square natin ang unit na centimeter. Therefore, the final answer is 108 square centimeter.